What's up, y'all? So today's video is gonna be slightly different. On this channel I do a lot of natural hair videos where I'm showing you guys different products, or you know, I'm doing a wig review and I'm styling my wigs for you guys. So with that being said, I did have the opportunity to partner up with the online makeup school. Never even heard of this school before, and two, I was even surprised that the school was even located in my area, which is New York. So pretty much with the online makeup school, I did have the opportunity to take the hairdressing course. Now the online makeup school do offer makeup courses as well, but y'all already know your girls don't dibble and dabble in on that side. But for the ones who do love makeup, because I know I have a lot of supporters up here that's into makeup and stuff like that, the online makeup school do have several online courses for you makeup gurus, you makeup lovers. They do offer a makeup kit when you're about to start your courses. I'm not really going to talk much into that because that's not the course that I took. But the course that I did take was, they do have a hairdressing course. Now, anything hair related I do love. You guys may or may not know, I do have some cosmetology background. I did go to cosmetology school and I do have my 1,000 hours. So I was super excited to be able to do this hairdressing course. Now, once I complete this hairdressing course, I will get a certification. Now, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the course, and then I'm going to dabble in my experience and what I think, as well as a few tips that may help you guys out. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, what's up, y'all? I'm going to need y'all to go ahead and hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of me, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys will not miss a video. Now, pretty much when you're signing up for the hairdresser course, there are 6 modules in the course for you to complete. So within those 6 modules, you will learn how to sanitize your station. You know, due to COVID, we got to make sure everything is nicely sanitized. You will also learn how to sanitize your tools. You will learn how to use extensions, different braid patterns, as well as different updos, from just a simple regular updo to doing a nice little elegant updo for a bride, as well as marketing yourself, because sis, we don't want to be out here selling ourselves short. So I'm glad that they teach some marketing tips, because not a lot of schools, I don't think any school actually does that. Now, the hairdressing course do cost about $849, but if you guys are on a tight budget, the school do offer monthly payments, which I think is great. Now, when you do sign up for the course, you do receive a kit. In this kit, you will get like some curling irons, some flat irons, I believe some hair extensions, some mannequins, some combs, and a couple of other stuff. Now, I did not receive a kit. I had to go out and purchase my own mannequin head, my own accessories, as far as like my hair clips, my hair pins, some hairsprays. I had to personally go out and purchase all those items on my own. Now, some of the perks of being a part of an online makeup school is you will get some pro card benefits. Now, that will give you a 40% discount to their partners. So some of their partner brands is like NYX, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Beauty Blender, just to name a few. Now, what I like so far about this school is even after completing the course, you will still have access to any of the course information. So if you pretty much need like some type of refresher, or you don't remember how to sanitize your station, or you forget how to market yourself, you will still be able to have access to those courses and review them. Now, what I like so far about the school is, if I'm watching a particular course and I don't understand, or if I'm a little confused, I can leave comments under the video and somebody from the school would either get back to me right away, or they would get back to me within 24 hours. Even though they are online, you are not left feeling stuck. Like, if you don't know anything, one thing I can honestly say, their communication is amazing, because it was a couple of times that I was a little confused on some stuff, and I did leave comments under the video, and someone immediately got back to me. If they didn't get back to me within an hour or two, I did hear back from them the next business day. And that's another thing that I also like. Even after completing the course, you still would be able to have some type of guidance to help you along the way on your journey. So if you are out in the field and you're just confused about something, you can still reach out to the school. Now, one thing about me, when I was in cosmetology school, I really didn't have that option. Like, if I didn't go out and personally get to know different teachers and build that type of connection, that type of friendship with them, I was pretty much stuck. I literally had to learn from my other peers, or I had to figure things out on my own. With this school, you are not left feeling stuck or lost. Now, as you guys can see, I'm almost done completing the entire course. Once I finish completing the course, I will get a certification, and I can't wait to receive that. Only thing I really have left to do is to do my homework, turn that in, and wait for my instructor to grade it. If I need to, you know, update something or redo a hairstyle, then they would give me one-on-one instruction, detailed instruction, telling me what I need to do. Now, some of you guys may or may not know, I am a mom of 2 kids, and I love the simple fact that I am not stuck to a strict schedule to finish completing this course. Honestly, when I'm done finishing the course 100%, all that is up to me. So I can take a month to finish, I can take 2 months, 6 months, 8 months, or a year. To complete the course, it all depends on you and your schedule. As you guys can see, I really don't have a long way to go, which is great. There are schools out there that they stick to one schedule and you have a certain amount of months to complete the course. This course is not like that at all, and that's what I like about the school. It's a lot of flexibility, so you don't have to feel that strain on you, like, oh my gosh, I need to complete this course. Oh my God, I didn't turn in my homework. No, it all depends on you, sis. So I'm going to be giving you guys a couple of tips, because y'all, sis did go out and spend like $60 on hairsprays alone. So I'm going to give you guys some tips that will most likely help you guys, so you guys won't go ahead and make the mistake that I did. Just know sis went back to Target and returned all that and only stuck with like 3 products. Now, in the beginning, the instructor will give you a list. Literally a list of different products that you can go out and buy. Me personally, I feel like those products are great when you're trying to build up your kit. And when I say your kit, you're trying to gather up your tools, your different hair products, for you to actually go out in the field and actually go out and work on clients here. Now, when you're starting the actual course and you're doing the homework on the mannequin, I personally feel like you only really need 3 types of hairsprays. You need a light hold hairspray, a medium hold hairspray, and you need a finishing hairspray. That's what I use. And y'all, when I tell y'all, like I mentioned before, I literally spent $60 on hairspray. And I was like, no, I am not using these good, expensive, good name brand products on no mannequin. I'd rather use my good quality products like Aveda, Moroccan Oil, John Frieda. I'd rather use those different type of products on real live people here, like real life customers here, and not on no mannequin, because I feel like that's just a waste of money. That's just my personal opinion. I feel like to save y'all some coins, and you know, why would you go out and waste good products just to use on the mannequin, just to wash the mannequin hair out? There's no need to just waste, you know, good products on a mannequin. Now, for your hair pins, your bobby pins, your rubber bands, you guys can go ahead and get that from the beauty supply store. I feel like buying it from the beauty supply store will be much cheaper than getting it from Amazon. Now, you want to make sure when you're out in the field, you want to make sure you're using different type of accessories that is going to match the client's hair. The purpose of using different type of, pins or rubber bands to make sure the style looks very professional and everything is tucked away properly. Also, another tip that I could give you guys, now in the course they did mention extensions. Like I said, I did not receive a kit, so what I did was go ahead and purchase a mannequin. I'm gonna put down below in the description box what type of mannequin I did go ahead and use that did have long enough hair for me to do different type of braid styles as well as different type of updos, so I wouldn't have to use extensions. Now, if you are a beginner and you do want to learn how to use extensions in clients' hair, I do suggest going on to Amazon or even AliExpress and buying bulk human hair clip-ins, not synthetic. You do not want to use synthetic clip-ins because when you add heat to it, it will burn. And last but not least, the last tip that I have for you guys to make your hairstyle pop, I do suggest that you guys buy some cute little accessories. If you could find some cute little pearls, some flowers to jazz up your hairstyle, to make your hairstyle look different, I would suggest to go ahead and do it. Now, another question that I did ask on one of the videos was, for the homework, do I have to do the exact look or can I put my own little twist on it, as long as they're able to see the particular style that they are asking for? So that is pretty much what, the online makeup school is about, what they have to offer, and my own personal opinion. I can't wait until I finish completing the course and I actually get to see my certification. Now, a good surprise that I do have for you guys, if you guys are interested in being a part of the online makeup school, I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you use the coupon code right here on the screen, it will take off $100 off your purchase. If you guys enjoy videos like this and do want to see an update, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys won't miss another video. But that is it that I have for now. I hope you guys stay blessed and be safe.